just real quick, want to just quickly introduce myself and then invite you to our launch event, as Amy and Pastor Matt have already done. But the decision to run for the office of governor, of course, was not an easy one. It obviously comes with much opposition. It's definitely a heavy burden. But as the Lord would have it, we did make that decision last December, so I am officially running to be California's next governor. And yes, I am running as a Christian and as a Republican. So I do get that question a lot, want to make that clear. The Lord has really provided tremendously just in these past few months. But one thing that is a cornerstone of this campaign, outside of doing it for the glory of God, is to unite the people of California. I believe that no single politician can really bring meaningful change. Change must come from the Lord on high, and on a human level, it must come when the people unite. And so the call is to unite believers around this cause. It is also to unite the people of California in general around this cause. And so what we are doing is we are doing different events, Lord willing, throughout the entire state. We have about 10 or 12 events already planned just in San Diego County. But our launch event is this coming Tuesday. I think we have some invitation cards on that back table. This coming Tuesday from 6 to 8 p.m. in Oceanside at the El Corazon Event Center. It's right where they have the senior center. You are all invited, so please don't hesitate to sign up. It's completely free of charge, family friendly, so bring your kids. We would definitely love to see you there, but thank you for inviting us this morning.